Imagine this. Right now, as these words reach you, your body is glowing. Not with the fire of stars or the flash of lightning, but with a secret, ultra-faint light only the most sensitive machines can catch. Every living cell inside you is quietly releasing photons into the darkness, until the chemistry of life stops. Then, silence. The glow vanishes. Completely. Why does life shine? And why does death go dark? This isn't metaphor or mysticism. It's hard, measurable physics. Scientists have known for decades that living things emit something called ultra-weak photon emission, but only in recent years, with ultra-sensitive detectors, have we captured undeniable proof. Every plant, every animal, every human being quietly sparkles at a level far below what our eyes could ever see. Your skin right now? It is releasing roughly a few to several hundred photons per second per square centimeter. Tiny flickers born from the ordinary chaos of staying alive. If we could amplify that glow and make it visible, you wouldn't look like a superhero. You'd look like a very dim, very slow-burning galaxy walking around in human form. So where does this light come from? Meet the reckless teenagers of your metabolism. Reactive oxygen species, or ROS. Inside the mitochondria, those tireless power plants in every cell, food and oxygen are burned to make energy. But this combustion isn't perfect. ROSR. The sparks and smoke that escape. Highly reactive molecules bouncing around, crashing into proteins, lipids, DNA. When they collide just right, they excite electrons to impossible energy levels. The electrons can't stay up there forever. They crash back down, and in that fall, pop! A single photon is born. Most of these photons get absorbed or quenched inside the cell, but a precious few slip out into the world. That's your glow. Plants do it when they photosynthesize. Bacteria do it in quiet colonies. Even you, sitting still, are twinkling like underwater stars in the deep ocean, a biochemical signature that screams, "I am alive." Here is the part that stops your breath. The instant circulation halts and oxygen no longer reaches the cells, the metabolic fire dims. No more frantic ROS production, no more excited electrons leaping, no more photons escaping. The glow doesn't gently fade like a dying candle. It stops, abruptly, like someone flipped the switch on a live. Recent experiments on whole mice showed this clearly. Warm the body after death to rule out temperature, and still the biophoton emission drops. Dramatically, often within minutes, though some organs like the brain or eyes may flicker faintly for up to an hour as residual chemistry winds down. That tiny, invisible light isn't a side effect. It may be one of the purest, most honest markers we have ever found for the presence of life itself. So the next time you feel small in this vast universe, remember this: you're luminous. A walking, breathing constellation of quiet light. Trillions of cells whispering photons into existence, moment by moment. That glow isn't eternal. It's fragile, temporary, precious. And perhaps that's exactly what makes us matter. Not that we shine forever, but that, for one astonishing flicker in the deep time of the cosmos, we shine at all, until the chemistry decides otherwise. And the light goes out